Imagine waking up tomorrow with sharper, clearer vision. No glasses, no surgery, and no fancy equipment required. Sound impossible? It's not, and I'll show you how in just 24 hours. As we age, our eye muscles weaken, and the lens becomes less flexible. But the good news? These natural changes aren't irreversible. Here's your simple but effective morning routine for instant vision boost. Let's start the day by giving your eyes some love. Begin with the 20-20-20 rule. This is simple and very effective. Every 20 minutes, take a break and focus on something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It relaxes your eye muscles and prevents strain. Next, try palm cupping. Rub your hands together briskly until they're warm. Then, place them gently over your closed eyes without pressing. Relax in this position for a minute. The warmth soothes your eyes and improves blood circulation. These exercises take just a few minutes, but can make a noticeable difference in your vision throughout the day. What you eat in the morning sets the tone for your vision. Start with a handful of blueberries. They're loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which boost blood flow to your retina. Pair them with walnuts for omega-3 fatty acids that nourish your eyes. Don't forget to drink a full glass of water right after waking up. Your eyes need hydration to stay clear and moist. If you enjoy tea, consider green tea, as it contains catechins that fight oxidative stress in your eyes. These small changes will fuel your eyes with nutrients they need to perform their best all day. Midday vision improvement tips. By midday, your eyes might feel tired, especially if you've been looking at screens. To combat this, reduce exposure to harsh blue light. Use blue light blocking glasses or activate the night mode feature on your phone, tablet, or computer. These small adjustments can protect your retina and reduce strain. Every hour, take a 5-minute break to rest your eyes. Step outside if you can and look at the greenery or distant objects in natural light. It's refreshing and resets your focus. These habits will keep your eyes comfortable and prevent the fatigue that builds up over the day. Here's a midday boost for your vision: clove tea. It's an age-old remedy with potent anti-inflammatory properties that reduce oxidative stress in your eyes. A warm cup before lunch works wonders. For an external solution, try a gentle olive oil massage. After washing your hands, apply a tiny amount of olive oil around your eyelids. Massage in circular motions for a minute. This improves blood flow, relaxes tense eye muscles, and hydrates the delicate skin. These simple steps, combined with the right nutrition, can keep your eyes vibrant and sharp as the day progresses. Evening routine for overnight vision repair. Evenings are the perfect time to help your eyes unwind from the day's strain. Before heading to bed, try a simple guided meditation for your vision. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and imagine seeing vivid, clear images of landscapes or colors. Focus on your breathing, deep, slow inhales and exhales. This not only calms your mind, but also relaxes the tiny muscles in your eyes. Taking 5 to 10 minutes for this mental reset can reduce tension and prepare your eyes for overnight repair. Think of it as a gentle massage for your vision, leaving you refreshed for the next day. Your dinner can work wonders for your eyes while you sleep. Include leafy greens like spinach, kale, or broccoli in your meal. These are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin nutrients that protect your retina and filter harmful blue light. Pair them with a piece of salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, to support eye cell membranes and combat dryness. If you prefer a vegetarian option, add avocado or nuts. A small bowl of orange slices or papaya for dessert can give your eyes a dose of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant. This nutrient-rich dinner is like a healing balm for your eyes. Avoid these mistakes. Before bed, steer clear of common habits that harm your eyes. Avoid reading in dim light as it forces your eyes to strain. Similarly, scrolling on your phone or tablet in bed is a big no-no. The blue light from screens can interfere with your sleep and keep your eyes from relaxing. Instead, wind down with soft lighting and minimal screen exposure. By avoiding these habits, you give your eyes the best chance to recover and repair overnight. These small changes make a huge difference in protecting and improving your vision. Now here's the overnight trick. Before bed, there's one last trick to give your eyes a head start on repair and rejuvenation. Prepare a warm compress by soaking a clean cloth in warm water, wringing it out, and placing it gently over your closed eyes. Rest like this for 10 minutes. The warmth increases blood flow to your eyes, relaxes strained muscles, and soothes tired nerves. It's incredibly calming and feels like a mini spa treatment for your vision. Finally, prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. During sleep, your body repairs and detoxifies, including your eyes. This is when cells regenerate and the strain from the day melts away. A good night's rest can make all the difference in how your eyes feel and perform the next day. Treat sleep as an essential step in your vision care routine. Wake up feeling refreshed and ready to see the world more clearly. If you're finding these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more health-focused guides just like this one. Try these tips tonight, and you'll wake up to a brighter, clearer world tomorrow. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you.